Hello everyone. So today's Leetcode question is divide array into arrays with max difference. Okay, this is a medium category question. So let's read the question. The question statement that you are given an integer array nums of size n and a positive integer k. Divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3 satisfying the following conditions. Okay. Each element of nums should be in exactly one array. Okay. The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. Okay. Return a 2D array containing all the arrays if it is impossible to satisfy the conditions. Return an empty array, and if there are multiple answers, return any of them. Okay. So basically question state that we have to return we have to make the length of three the length of three subarrays. Okay, so in this array, the length of this array is 9. So we have to make total three subarrays of length 3. Here out in output also there are three subarrays of length 3. Okay, now let's understand this example. So we have array num which is equal to 1, 3, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 5, 1. Okay, so let's start with smallest element, which is 1. Okay, let's find the next greater element, which is equal to 1, and the difference is our k is 2 given. Okay, so the difference between 1 and 1 is 0, which is less than equal to k. Okay, now what is the next greater element? 3. Let's 3 and the difference between 3 and 1 and 3 and 1 is equal to 2, which is less than equal to 2. So we can make this sub. Okay. Now let's move to another just greater element, which is 3. Okay. Now just greater element is 4. So difference between 4 and 3 is 1. So 1 is less than equal to k. Okay. Now next greater is 5. So difference between 5 and 4 is 1, which is less than equal to k, and difference between 5 and 3, which is 2, is less than equal to k. These two conditions are satisfied, so we can make this subarray also. Now, what is the next greater? 7, next 8, next 9. The difference between these two is 1, difference between these two is 1, and difference between these two is 2. This is less than equal to k. This is less than equal to k, and this is also less than equal to k. So we can make this subarray. So this is our answer. So what we do in this question? In this question, basically we sort the array. Okay, and every and every three elements. Okay, the window of three elements we check the all difference between all these three between the difference between all these three elements should be less than equal to k. If it is not k, then we return a empty array. So let's understand this case too from another example. So our nums is given 1, 3, 3, 2, 7, 3. Okay. So k equal to 3 is given. So what we do? Basically, we sort the array. Okay, so let's sort 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 7. Okay, see the first three elements. What is the difference between these two? 1. What is the difference between these two? 1. And what is the difference in these two is 2. So these threes, 1 is less than equal to k, 1 is less than equal to k, 1 is less than equal to k. So equal to 2 is equal to 3, equal to 3. So we can make this a array. So let's make 1, 2, 3. Okay, now see the next three elements. This 3, 3, 7. Difference between these three is 1, difference between these three is 4, and difference between these two is 4. Okay, 1 is less than equal to k, but here 4 is not less than equal to k. So here our condition is wrong. So we can say that the array, our sub-array cannot be made. Okay, so we simply return a empty. Okay, so what we do? Uh, what we did first, sort the array. Next condition is see the three elements window. Okay, so this is short. What is the maximum difference between this and this 3 and 7? Okay, so if this difference is greater than k, then we say that our answer is empty array. And if difference between these two is less than equal to k, then we can say that we can make this subarray. Okay, so now let's code this question. So first let's declare declare the length of array nums dot length. Okay, now we have to sort the array nums and we take integer k equal to sorry p equal to 0. Now let's make a 2D array answer equal to new and what is the length n divided by 3 and what is the length of column is 3. Okay, now for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus equal to 3. We have to move, we have to jump 3 elements. Okay, so now if nums of I plus 2 minus nums of I is less than equal to k, then we can say that we can make this subarray. So our answer of p of 0 is equal to nums of I. Our answer of p of 1 equal to nums of I plus 1 and our answer of p of 2 equal to nums of I plus 2. Okay, if this difference is not greater than k, then we can be simply determine and empty it. Okay, otherwise we return our answer. And what we increase the index of our answer rate. Let's run this code. For both the cases are accepted. Now let's submit. Code is submitted successfully. And here is the Java code. Thank you for watching.